You're a superhero.
Welcome back, people. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we had an interesting thought. Actually, I am a big fan of KFC fried chicken, or any roasted chicken for that matter. But my favorite would be KFC, as is the case with many of us I know. And during this lockdown, one thing that I was definitely craving for was, eating out, or in particular, I would say I was missing my KFC fried chicken bucket. So I thought, why not, recreate it at home? So I was not sure if, we would get the same texture, the same flavors, the same taste, the same yumminess as we get at KFC. So I thought, why not try it? So that is what today's vlog is going to be about. So I would be trying to, replicate the KFC style roasted chicken, and let's see if it tastes the same, looks the same. And also I'll be seeing हमेशा हम बोलते हैं कि KFC is charging so much and all that. So let's see how it turns out, cost wise, taste wise, and hygiene wise. So obviously घर का खाना is obviously more hygienic. And let's see what happens, what turns out from my today's recipe challenge. Make a duplicate of KFC fried chicken. So for that we got some 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces and some wings as well. We'll also need some corn flour, some dahi and eggs, garlic powder, and some other normal spices. And here I have taken 1 cup of milk, and I have squeezed half a lemon into it, and as you can see it has curdled. So let's see, we'll use this, and if needed we'll use the curd as well. And all the videos are showing different recipes, so we'll be keeping what we like and chucking out what we didn't like. So let's begin. So first we'll take जो buttermilk घर पे बनाया, so about 1 cup, and I think it's less, so I will also be using some curd. Just mix it up well. Okay. Now we'll add some salt. बाद में we'll be adding some chili powder. And then I'm adding some pizza seasoning also. I'm just adding whatever I feel like. Lots and lots of pizza seasoning. Let's see how it tastes. I have this bad habit of adding this thing to everything. Okay, that's fine. And then let's add some eggs. Oh my god, oh my god. I messed up. So there was an egg. So here I'm thinking we'll add just 2 eggs. I'll just whisk it in. Wait, we forgot something. Some garlic powder, I think this much was 1 teaspoon. Also some ginger garlic paste. I think that will be enough. Okay. So after adding all the things, we'll just mix it well. If you have a whisk, I think it will be better to use a whisk. I don't have one, so I'll make do with the spoon. Add the chicken pieces. I cleaned the chicken pieces using vinegar and some rock salt. I've mixed the chicken well into the marinade. Now we'll be putting this away for 3 hours. So let's wait for 3 hours. So it's been almost 3 hours since we made this. So our chicken is like well coated and nicely marinated. It has been sitting here. So now we need to make the coating. KFC का जो coating होता है crispy वाला. For that we'll be taking maida and corn flour. I am roughly adding it's just rough, okay? About 1.5 cups. It's not a standard cup measurement cup, okay? It's just kind of, let's say, almost 2:1 ratio of maida and corn flour. Corn flour is what gives the crispy texture actually. So I have roughly taken 1.5 cups of maida and almost 1 cup of corn flour. To this we need to add some normal chili powder. Then I'll be adding some coriander powder, some black pepper powder. And also some garlic powder. Also, I will be adding a pinch of, a very little quantity of baking soda. And of course, we need to add salt. Now we'll just mix. Just give it a uniform texture. Now simultaneously यहाँ पे मैंने तेल गर्म होने के लिए रख दिया था. तेल का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर वो टेम्परेचर बहुत कम हो जाएगा तो वो जो चिकन है वो तेल पी जाएगा और बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाएगा. और अगर बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पे अगर आप फ्राई करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा कि बाहर से बहुत ही मतलब ब्राउन बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा बट अंदर से आपका जो चिकन है वो कुक नहीं होगा. सो इसलिए मैंने टेम्परेचर अच्छे से हीट हो जाए इसलिए मैंने ऑलरेडी तेल गर्म होने के लिए रख दिया. सो नाउ बैक टू द कोटिंग. अब हमें करना क्या है कि जो क्रिस्पी लेयर कोटिंग होती है उसके लिए हम चिकन पीसेस को कोट करेंगे, जेनरसली कोट करेंगे। Here's our first piece. Look at that crust, guys. Look at that crust. तो हम निकाल देते हैं। तो बन रहा है, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो अच्छे से क्रस्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है। मैंने इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था एक्चुअली, बट आई डोंट नो, लकीली इस बार एटलीस्ट लुक्स में तो काइंड ऑफ लग रहा है KFC चिकन जैसा। सो दिस इज आवर रिजल्ट। दिखने में तो काफी सिमिलर बनाया, द क्रस्ट, क्रस्ट सच में KFC जैसा ही उसका टेक्सचर तो मिला। सो वैसे तो वो सक्सेसफुल है, ठीक ही है, बट व्हाट आई फील इज कि थोड़ा KFC का जो होता है वो इतना ऑयली हमें फील नहीं होता। दिस फील्स वेरी ऑयली। टेस्ट वाइज इट्स गुड, बट मैं बोलूँगी कि जितना मेहनत इसमें लगा है, आई फील काफ़ी मेहनत है इसमें, मतलब डिप करो, फिर से कोट करो, फिर से डिप करो। बट इफ़ यू आर रेडी टू वर्क दैट हार्ड, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन गो फॉर दिस। This is definitely not a recipe for lazy people because you have to have a lot of patience. इसको पहले मैरिनेट करो, 3 घंटा वेट करो, उसके बाद फिर से इतना ऐसे कोट करो एंड ऑल दैट एंड देन फ्राई। एंड ये फ्राई होने के लिए भी ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 12 मिनट्स लग जाते हैं इसको कुक होने के लिए। सो इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट फॉर पीपल हु वांट एवरीथिंग क्विक। इट्स नॉट अ क्विक थिंग टू मेक एंड थोड़ा ऑयली फील हो रहा है। वो मैंने जो किया वो गलत था क्या, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट थोड़ा ऑयली फील हो रहा है, जो KFC के केस में नहीं होता। बट कॉस्ट वाइज अगर देखेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज आई वुड से चीपर कंपेयर टू KFC काइंड ऑफ, बट एफर्ट है बहुत, मतलब बहुत नहीं बोलूँगी, बट काफ़ी एफर्ट तो है। So yeah, but definitely one should try just for the fun of it. मतलब we can make KFC style roasted chicken at home. Look at that crust. Corn, मतलब this definitely, like one can tell someone कि ये KFC से मंगाया हुआ है. I don't think one can find much of a difference. So that was it for today's video, guys. So as you guys have already seen, I kind of achieved the KFC style roasted chicken. Look wise, it looked quite similar to what we get at KFC, but I would say taste wise, the coating and all did taste really good. The chicken turned out really tender, it was really juicy, and I would say the flavors also were quite up to there. But one thing that went wrong is in some of the batches, the coating was not staying on the chicken as it should. It was like coming off. So yeah, I wouldn't say that it was perfect, but I would say I nailed it about 60 to 70%. I would say, yeah, I would give myself that. Another thing is, it did take a lot of time and some level of effort also, because see, we marinated it for kind of 3 hours, so waiting, you have to wait for it. Like, it's not an instant process. Like when you're buying it from KFC, you just go there, you just order it, and it's just a 5 to 10 minutes wait. But in this case, it takes hours, so you should be patient first of all. And then, yeah, that's it. So you guys should also try it out. You guys should definitely try it out, and do let us know in the comment section like how it turned out for you guys. And yeah, so if you like this video, then do click the like button, and also I would like to hear from you guys what you think about the video. And do subscribe to this channel if you want to keep seeing us, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.